Hey there, how is your investment portfolio actually performing? Tracking it properly on Fidelity goes beyond just checking your balance. It's about measuring growth against your goals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to track it. Fidelity's Portfolio Summary page is your command center. It shows your total gain, loss, daily change, and asset allocation. For deeper analysis, use the Performance tab. Here you can view your personal rate of return over custom time periods, 1 month, 1 year, since inception. This tool compares your actual returns, factoring in deposits and withdrawals, to give you a true picture. My crucial pro tip: benchmark your performance. In the Performance tool, add a comparison to a relevant index, like the S&P 500. This tells you if your portfolio is keeping up with the broader market, helping you assess your strategy's effectiveness. That's how you move from guessing to knowing exactly how your investments are working for you. Do you check your portfolio performance daily, or do you take a long-term view? Share your approach below. If data-driven guides help you invest smarter, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.